Little sunbeam on my pillow, tiny paws tap on my phone. You curl up on my chest like you built me a home. On the days my brain's too noisy, when the room feels way too loud, you purr like steady thunder and it softens every cloud. Orange cat, best friend, you always find me in the end. When my mind runs fast and my heart feels spent, you climb in my lap like it's your 1 in 10. Orange cat, best friend, you understand what I meant. You chase shadows on the ceiling, do a spin and sudden flop, turn my spiral into giggles with one twitchy little hop. On the nights the world feels distant and my bed's a frozen sea, you're a heater made of heartbeat, sleeping nose to nose with me. Orange cat, best friend, you always find me in the end. When my mind runs fast and my heart feels spent, you climb in my lap like it's your 1 in 10. Orange cat, best friend, you understand what I meant. When I'm pacing through the kitchen, when the tears are halfway down, you just blink those amber eyes like I'm here, I'm not backing down. Every tangled thought, every quiet, heavy breath, you just curl around my edges and you love the rest that's left. Orange cat. Hush now, little hearts, close your eyes. Moonlight paints the quiet skies. Tiny paws and gentle purrs. Love is found in moments like these. Dream, little friend, the stars above, wrapped in warmth and wrapped in love, till we meet again real soon at Luna Link's Cove beneath the moon. Hush now, little heart,